Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Bob Desmond. It is January the 2nd. Happy New Year to everybody. We're going to go over today the Commodities Tracking Index Fund, the DBC. And commodities are hated. Let's face it. They are absolutely despised. And as contrarians, we're looking for opportunity in that space. And with the US dollar right now on a tear, it's really putting a lot of pressure on the commodities sector. And this is a weekly chart. It's not a daily chart. I believe in using multi-period charts as I teach my members. We use daily charts, weekly charts, and monthly charts, whatever it takes to find out where historical support and historical resistance is. Now, with commodities, most are priced in US dollars. And as the US dollar strengthens, that puts pressure on commodities. So what we're doing with our right eye is we're watching the US dollar, and with our left eye, we're watching the performance of the commodity sector. And again, weekly chart RSI below 10, extremely oversold. And as I teach my members, commodities and currencies, when you're trading them, you cannot trade them like they're stocks when you're using oscillators, which in this case, the RSI is a forward-looking indicator. It's because they're far more volatile. And the fact that we have an RSI below 10 impresses me, but not all that much due to the fact that it's a commodity. Were it a stock, I'd be far more impressed. So this is definitely a catalyst as to why I'm very, very interested in this ETF, because the short squeeze is going to be phenomenal. When the US dollar begins its pullback, that's going to set these commodities off on a tear. But we need for the market to send us a signal before we start building a huge position. Now we'll quickly take a look at the daily chart. And on the daily chart, you could see that we had a gap down on the 31st, a continuation move lower today. They tried to rally, but that rally failed. But intraday, the technicals were looking pretty good with the double bottom setup. So we're still constructive on the commodities space. I think that this volume bar here, which occurred on New Year's Eve day, was a capitulation sell-off. And that the time to see the commodity sector rally is quite near. And if you take a look at the RSI, which is a forward-looking indicator, you can see that while the commodity sector has put in a new low, the RSI is not. While the commodity sector has put in a new low, the ultimate oscillator is making higher lows. So these are the clues that I point out to my members on a consistent basis. This is how we profit from a manipulated market, because we identify the clues that the markets are sending us and we act accordingly. So if you get any value out of this video, please enter your email address. We'll send them to you when I produce them. You will not be spammed. We hate spam too. Members, stay tuned for the week ahead commentary. That's where I put together 2 videos. The market pulse check, which goes out on Saturday, and that's a review of the overall markets. And then on Sunday, I send out the focus stock analysis video. And that's where we review trades that we're looking to put on, plus our current holdings. Both videos are about 20 minutes apiece, but very, very informative. And that's it. Everybody enjoy your weekend and have a profitable 2015. Be well.